If you want to unlock more powerful workflows in Claude AI, this quick tutorial will show you how to enable code execution and file creation in just a few steps. These features can be incredibly useful if you want Claude to help with coding tasks, generate files, work through examples, or handle more advanced productivity workflows inside the desktop app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Claude Desktop on your computer. Once the app is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your name or profile icon. This is where Claude keeps the account and app settings, so it's the first place you need to go. After you click your profile icon, a menu will appear. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you into the main settings area for Claude Desktop, where you can adjust different app preferences and enable advanced tools. Inside the settings window, look at the left sidebar and click Capabilities. This section is where Claude keeps the options for extra features that affect how the assistant works, including tools related to code and files. Now scroll down through the capabilities page until you find the toggles for code execution and file creation. These may be turned off by default, so make sure you carefully look for both options. Once you find them, turn on code execution first and then enable file creation as well. After switching them on, Claude will be able to do more advanced tasks, such as running code-related workflows and creating files when needed. That's really all there is to it. After enabling these settings, you can go back and start using Claude with more flexible functionality for coding, automation, and file-based tasks. If you don't see the changes right away, try closing and reopening the app so the new settings fully apply. And just a quick reminder, if this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step AI guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.